Hey, this is Rocky Giglio. I am the newly appointed Director of Security Solutions and Go-to-Market here at SADA, and I'm excited to be hosting the Cloud and Clear podcast. I'm excited to be hosting many of our Cloud and Clear podcasts this year as we take up one of the most important topics when it comes to cloud computing, and that is security. It touches every area of everything we do in the cloud, from SaaS to PaaS to infrastructure as code, and on we can go. So I'm super excited about this topic, of course, as the leader in that area. And then on with me throughout the year is going to be people from Google, customers, industry leaders, and other experts, bringing in their opinions, bringing in their experience, and sharing that with you, our customers. And so I'm super excited to get this going here early in the year. Well, if you're as excited as I am about the Cloud and Clear podcast this year, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.